It's called Cricut Coloring Pages. It says turn your photo or idea into a coloring page in seconds, and you can try it now. So we're going to click try now. And it says you can grab a photo from your computer or you can type in a photo prompt. So let's click here. So I don't have a lot of photos of anything on this computer because it's my work computer, but I do have some prompts that I use for my my Facebook group and whenever I'm doing captions for my thumbnails. So I'm just going to grab one of my pictures off of here, and this one here, and I'm going to click generate for 1 credit. So as you can see here, I already have used 2 credits. Now it's saying you have a total a month as an Access member, you have 20 credits, and you this will tell you how many you have left by clicking right here. So I'm going to see what it generates for me. Now, the one thing I did notice whenever I did this with the other 2, if you have anything that has a trademark, it will come back and tell you that it can't print that just because of copyright, so it won't even give you the like I had a Cricut thing behind me and you could see the word Cricut, and it wouldn't do that for me. So it just said that there was a trademark, and that's the only thing that I saw in the background that had a trademark on it. So just to be clear, if you're trying to do a coloring page of something that might be a trademark, maybe you want to do a picture of maybe your son or daughter holding, like, I don't know, what, the Elmo or something, it might not allow it because it's not going to be allowed to draw it. So look at this, how cute. It popped right up, and so this is the background. I love it. I love the baskets. I love that it catches all the details. Isn't that cute? All right, so now all you have to do is come down here and click on it. This is the other one I did. And I'm just going to click download into a PNG. You have to open the file. It pops up right here, and then you click print. And wait till I show you how cool this is. So I'll show you the one I made earlier, and then the one that it's printing out now. Okay, so here's the one I made earlier. How cool is that? I was thinking of some really cool ways that you could do this. So if you wanted to make a little coloring page, like a coloring book for family, for like little kids in the family to have to come over when they come over, and you can make as many copies of these as you want. Once you get the file, once you get the image, you can keep copying them. There's no limit to what you can make. You just can't make new ones over your 20 for the month. But let's look and see how the next one turns out. Oh, it's coming out cute. I love it. So I just thought this was a really neat addition to Cricut, and that they thought of this. I mean, I feel like they're coming out with a lot more things that you don't even need your actual cutting machine to do, which I think is cool. But look at that. It even has like my fingernails, and it has my little Cricut cuties. They look a little funny, not gonna lie, but how cute are they? It has the hooks from my dresser that's behind me. It has my guillotine cutter. I love this so much. So definitely something you should check out with Cricut. It's like as soon as you sign into your account, it's that first pop-up that you guys saw. So this is just a quick video. I wanted to share it with you so that you had some information on it, because I actually called Cricut and I spoke to a really nice man. He was very kind, but he was like, oh no, you can't do that with Cricut. And I was like, but you can. Like, it just popped up and I used it. I just wanted more information on it, but he didn't even have any information on it. So I feel like sometimes Cricut releases these things quietly and then just wants to see what attention it brings. Maybe, I don't know. But normally, I like whenever they release something, it's pretty like they're open about it, like, hey, we're releasing this product. But I feel like lately they haven't been doing that, which I think is really neat, because then it gives us the opportunity to find it and then play with it and see what we think. But this even has down to like my ink, like my little ink holders. I just think it's so cool. So yeah, I just wanted to reach out and share that with you. I know for sure that I'm going to be playing with this and making a lot of coloring pages. Obviously not of myself. I need to upload some photos that are of other things that I want to turn into coloring pages. But I just wanted to share this with you guys so that you knew about it, and that maybe you could jump in and take advantage of this new option that they have for you. Again, it does seem like it's going to be an Access members only option. So if you're not an Access member, it might let you play with it and like kind of design things, but you're not going to be able to print them, is my guess. I don't know that for sure, but you could check it out if that option appears. But how cute! Think of this as like a little Susie that just had her first softball game, and you have a picture of her out in the field. What you could upload it to Cricut and it would print out a coloring page of that. That would be so fun. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, this was just a quick informative video. If you have any questions or you want to see more about this, just let me know in the comments below and I will get it done for you. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!